I'm Selvi from Presidency School, Bangalore South. This is my project using Google Docs, and my task is to create Word file with 3 pages. This is my first page where I have created a circular and which includes all the details about the workshop. And this is my second page where I have created a poster, and this is my third page where I have just created a registration form. Now let me explain all the features I have used in my Google Doc. And now this is my first page. First I have just given a background color for this page. So this can be done by just selecting File and then select the page setup option. Here I have to just select the orientation as portrait. I have just selected as portrait and the paper size. And here I have just given the margin. And finally I have just selected the page color. Once it is done, we have to just click on OK. So now let me close it since already I have done it. So page color I have given, and now I want to just enhance my page. So what I have done is I have just given a table over here. Inside the table I have given all the content. So this can be done by selecting the table, insert table. I have selected the first one. So that means like it's one row and one column. I have selected it and I have dragged it till down, and here I have entered all the information about the workshop. And here what I have done is I have entered the title, and I want to make a section between the title and the information. So I have just given a margin over here. So this can be done by just clicking on insert and select the horizontal line. So I have given a horizontal line. Then here I have just typed the information and I have given the alignment as justify, and here I have given the spacing as 1.5. So 1.15 I have just given this, and just coming down in the same page I have just given the consent slip. Here I have given some information, and this is my first page, and moreover I have just given the header and the footer. So here this is my header. So I have to go to insert, just select the header, and below that I have to just select the footer. So in the header I have typed my school name, and in the footer I have just given PSPS workshop and I have given the page number. So this is what I have done. And here I have just given a table over here and I have typed some information. Apart from this, what I have done is I have given a color and the page border for this. So here if you just see, if I just click on the border will be over here. So I have to select this, and finally I have to come to the more option and select the background color, and I have to give the border color and the border width. So this is how I have just given for my table, and the same way I have given the color and the border with everything for all the pages I have done. So this is my second page where I have created a poster. So this poster can be created by just clicking on insert and drawing. So here already I have just downloaded some image, and here let me show you, like upload from computer. So already all the images I have, and here this image I have just made it as a background, and my workshop title is cyber security. So for that also I have just created one name, like one image I have just inserted on that. And then I have just selected the text box and I have just entered some information, that is when it is going to happen, who is the chief guest, and venue. Everything I have just included in this, and I have just inserted in this page. So here I have just included the logo, and I have given my school name. So altogether I have just merged it, and this is my poster, and this is the second page, and here you can see the footer and the page number. And next I'll just come to the third page where it is a registration form which asks for the student information. Here I've just given this workshop details and the photo. So this too again I went to insert drawing, and I've just made this by selecting the shape. I have done this. So you can just see here, I've just selected the shape. So the rectangle and the square shape, whatever the shape you want, you can just select it, and I have done this. And below that I have just given the personal information, and here again for attending the workshop, here again I have just given some yes and no option. So this shape is also been selected from the shape only. So again you can just see, you can go to this shape, and here I have just selected the shape as the triangle shape. So this is what I have inserted over here. and you can just see the page number below this. So photo and everything I've just added, and the page number is also given over here. The photo, you can see it, and this is what I have done. And finally I want to just share it, so I have to click on the share option, and here I have to just enter the mail address to whom I'm going to share it. So I'm just typing it as I just entered it, so I'm adding it. So I'm just sending it to it. Here you can just see shared with one person. So this is how I have just created my Google Doc, and I've shared it with one person. So this is all my task. Thank you.